These are both brand new, sealed in the box and ready to go. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the first product giveaway on this channel. The first of hopefully many more. And yes, I know I have a big cut on my lip. Looks real good. So here I'm giving away 2 GoPro accessories made by GoPole as a package. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video to figure out how you can enter to win these. Anyway, if you haven't seen their stuff, you can check out GoPole.com. They make high quality mounts and accessories for GoPro cameras. They're pretty good. The first is a GoPole Base right here. Here it is. Here's the base. Just your standard, basic, sturdy, high quality tripod. It's a mini tripod for your GoPro. Good for stationary shots or just a time lapse or anything like that. The GoPro Base also has a 1/4 20 thread screw on it, so you can attach it to other cameras and some of GoPole accessory poles and things like that. It comes with a high torque tightening screw on the top here to tighten your GoPro down. Other than that, there's not too much else to say about it. The second is called a GoPole Scenelapse, and this thing's pretty cool. Here's the Scenelapse. It's basically a base mount for your GoPro that slowly rotates over a set period of time. It's a really awesome way to spice up your time lapses by adding rotation. You can set that time and rotation setting at 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or 60 minutes, or really anywhere in between, just by looking at the markers here on the base. The Scenelapse also has a 1/4 20 thread on the bottom of it to attach it to other accessories or tripods. Here's mine right here. You can attach your GoPro to it using their high torque tightening screw and twist to set your Scenelapse. And when it's all done, it actually rings. Pretty fancy. These are both brand new, sealed in the box and ready to go. Here's how you enter. So I'm going to show you a photo or a frame grab from some video that I filmed in the past, and all you have to do to enter is 1, subscribe to the channel, 2, like this video, and 3, give me your best caption or funniest caption on the photo in the comment section below. This video giveaway will go for 1 week, and then after that I will pick my favorite comment, and that person will win both of these. So good luck, and here's the photo. Like I said, I'll pick a winner 1 week from when this video goes live. I hope you guys enjoy these kind of giveaway videos, as I plan to do more of these in the future as a way to just kind of give back. So I'll see you in the next one.